Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Green Motion car and van rental honest review. So, Green Motion here is basically a car plus a van rental brand with a lot of locations worldwide. And the key thing is that the experience can feel very different depending on the exact branch you pick from. That's why you'll see people say it was smooth and other people say that was a nightmare, and they can both be talking about Green Motion. Now, how the website works is pretty standard. You book your dates and location online, then the real make or break moment is at the counter. So that's where they verify the driver, take a security deposit hold, and confirm what insurance they'll accept. Now, a lot of frustration review seems to come from people expecting the online price to be the final price. Now, they then finding out at pickup that the branch wants a big deposit, extra coverage, or has strict rules around what counts as acceptable insurance. Now, on Trustpilot here, Green Motion International, if you're going to visit it on Trustpilot, well, it sits in the 3.0 out of 5 average with around 31k plus reviews. Now, Trustpilot shows they reply to most negative reviews and usually respond pretty fast. The score is basically the definition of mix. You'll see plenty of happy customers about friendly staff and decent rentals, but also a steady run of complaints about surprise charges, dispute issues, and arguments over damage. Where it looks a lot rougher in the US side, Green Motion USA shows a 1.1 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot, with about a 521 reviews, which lines up with a lot more of don't do it type of experience. Now, BBB complaints around Green Motion branded rentals in Florida also match the same themes. People describing unexpected charges, insurance pressure, and disputes after returns. Now, MPB notes that these profiles aren't accredited, and on Reddit, you'll find posts and threads telling similar stories. People warning about deposits, insurance hassles, or getting hit with damage bills they felt were unfair, with examples popping up in different countries and airports. Now, the honest takeaway here, Green Motion can be totally fine at some branches, but the review suggests the risk is mostly around counter rules, deposits, and post-rental charges. If someone's booking them, it's smart to read the voucher terms carefully, show up with a proper credit card, and do a quick walk-around video at pickup and return, so there's no he said, she said later on. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.